Come, let us tell you what Quran really is. It comforts you in your sufferings, tranquility to your anxiety. It's peace to all your fears. It holds your hands in your loneliness. It protects you from unexpected. It's the light in darkness. It's cure to all your sicknesses. Gives you courage in rejection. It provides you solace in your losses. It guides you in tough terrains. It's reversal of your poverty. It's source of joy in your sorrows. It's your support in difficult times. It guarantees you salvation from hunger, poverty, and starvation. Quran is the last book of Allah. It's a way of our communication with Allah. It is Allah's light, guidance, its salvation and its mercy. It's Allah's given treatment and cure. It's Allah's blessing, assurance and serenity. It's Allah's given victory against any nemesis. It is a way to remember Allah. It's the source of our communication with Allah. It's the only tool that helps us connect to Allah. That's right. You can get all of this quite easily. But there is this tiny condition that you come to it with your sincere heart. That's it. That's it. Your only responsibility is this one step with sincerity. Come to it. Are we not able to do at least this much?